Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today we rise into crown chakra, Sahasrara, which is a gateway to the divine energy, universal consciousness and infinite space. As I create this mandala, allow yourself to rest in stillness, to soften the effort, and to open gently to the presence of something greater than your thoughts. Sit comfortably. Allow your spine to rise effortlessly and let your shoulders soften. Close your eyes and keep them gently resting on the mandala. Take a slow breathe in and a long, gentle breathe out. Now bring your awareness to the top of your being, that is your head. Imagine a soft violet light resting there, which is delicate, vibrant, and peaceful. With each inhale, the light brightens. With each exhale, it expands upward. Now imagine light descending from the universe slowly, gently, and lovingly, entering through the crown of your head. The light is not heavy, it's not intense, it's pure presence. As it enters you, your thoughts begin to dissolve. Your identity softens. Your awareness expands. You are not trying to connect, you are simply remembering. As I place each dot in this mandala, imagine each dot and each swipe opening another layer of connection, not outward but inward, into your stillness. Now imagine floating in infinite space. There is no up or down, no past and future, only awareness. The light above you flows through you, and the light within you flows outward. There is no separation. You are breathing, and the universe is breathing with you. With each breath, you feel lighter. You also feel quiet. You feel spacious. Your body rests. Your mind also rests, but your soul awakens. Now allow the silence to hold you completely. If thoughts arise, let them pass like distant stars. If emotions arise, let them dissolve into light. You are held. You are connected. You are one with divine energy. Remain here in vastness, in peace, and in pure being. I'm going to give you few affirmations. You can either repeat them out loud or you can repeat them mentally too. I am connected to divine energy. I am connected to divine energy. Universal wisdom flows through me. Universal wisdom flows through me. I surrender to higher consciousness. I surrender to higher consciousness. I am one with the universal power. I am one with universal power. Peace and light guide my existence. Peace and light guide my existence. Now take a gentle breath in and exhale softly. If you felt connected, if you felt expanded or deeply peaceful, go ahead and share your experience. Your experience, when you share, may awaken another soul.